Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to use ESTA mobile app, that is Electronic System for Travel Authorization, which is used by US Department of Homeland Security to screen, or you can say to assess travelers, those who come under visa waiver program. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this app. This app is free of cost. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. So once you come, you're going to click continue. It's very important that you read and understand security notifications and all. Now thing is that this app is going to act as a folder. If you already have an ESTA, you can tap on find it and with passport number or application number, and you can search for it. Okay, and you can add. If you don't have, you can click on get started. Okay, and you can apply. So it's highly recommended that you read everything. Okay, now in order to start, what you need is, like, you need to scan your passport photo. What it will do, and it will record the details, then cover, it will record the details, then you have to take your own photo. Okay, then you have to complete your application about your details and other things, and then finally you have to make the payment. Okay, so unfortunately I cannot go beyond here, but you got an idea how to use this app. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.